Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about strawberries, and I have some specific food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with strawberries. So if you're looking for some meal or recipe ideas, something really specific, hopefully this will help you out. Combine strawberries with almonds and lemon, strawberries with arugula, balsamic vinegar, pine nuts, and ricotta cheese. Sounds like an interesting salad there. How about strawberries with balsamic vinegar, spinach, and walnuts? Strawberries with basil and balsamic vinegar. Strawberries with basil, lemon, and mint. Strawberries with brown sugar, cinnamon, and oatmeal. Sounds like a yummy breakfast. Strawberries with cream cheese and lemon. That's interesting. Strawberries with ginger, maple syrup, and rhubarb. Strawberries with honey and lime. Strawberries with lemon and ricotta cheese. Or strawberries with pistachios and yogurt. That sounds delicious too. I do hope that this list helps you out. Bye for now.